I'd been sailing a 361 for about 8 years. I had come to the decision that after about 10 years I'd be moving up to the boat that I'd hopefully retire into, and had a pretty good idea of the design and the characteristics that I wanted in the boat, but I hadn't decided on a particular model and manufacturer. After speaking with the designer and the co-owners of the Tartan organization, they assured me that we could design a boat that met my needs. I've had a wonderful experience since meeting with the designer in Annapolis. They put an extraordinary amount of customization into the new hull model, which was the 4700, and from there we were able to add the amenities that I felt were necessary to address my family's needs. I spent a day working with the professionals that were doing the work. I felt as if I were part of the manufacturing process, and it was also an opportunity for me to start providing some customization. Something as simple as placement of the cockpit, where the helm would sit, how much room I needed. I was very happy to be part of that, and it translated to a boat design that really fit my needs. It was pretty cool watching the 4700 being delivered across the interstates. Being able to be part of that was enjoyable. More enjoyable and certainly more satisfactory was having the professionals that were part of the build-out in the Cleveland facility on site working with you and having that continuation of a relationship that was started several months prior. One of my concerns when choosing a 4700 was, could I manage it as a single-handed sailor? It was actually easier than my 37. The sail plan has been very simple. She's on electronic winches, which make the sail handling incredibly easy. She has bow thrusters, which makes maneuverability in tight spots simpler than I had ever experienced before. And she sails much more comfortably under strong wind than I would have expected, making me look and feel like a better, more competent sailor. I'd certainly recommend the 4700 to anyone who's looking to move up from a 30-footer. It is the natural progression. It's a performance boat. It's a very, very comfortable cruising boat. If you're looking for entertaining couples or for a larger family, this is a boat that will get you there quickly, get you there in style, get you there in comfort, and certainly get you there in safety.